All right, y'all. Weekly review. I've been trying to redo this because my computer, whenever I open OBS, it just starts tweaking on me. So hopefully this time we're good. Okay, so the first trade, I said this like 3 times, but the first trade was up here on Monday. OBS, you better freaking stay open, bro. I'm counting on you, boy. Let's see. Jits. All right. Okay, I already marked it out because I was reviewing it already. So this is the trade. We had this 1 minute sweep here on Monday. Yeah, no, this. Okay, so this is the first trade here under pool, and this was a break even. So I'm just gonna set this to BE. That was break even. Still logged it though, break even. And then we had the second trade filled there, and this thing was also in this fair value gap. So we had Pedigrade, adding on to this. This is a continuation signature because we're already off this low extension level extension. We're going to EQ and we're moving up. So I'm like, okay, first target, obviously this high, because I was using the 243 as my range, or the extension, usually high, not extension. And then this sucker started running like crazy. We already hit the high. And then at the point when we hit the high, I'm like, okay, this is demo. So I'm just going to let this run anyways to see what we can get. That was 5R with the stop with the low. So ended up running pretty good amounts. I think we got somewhere into this range. If I do a little higher time frame range here, we can see what's going on. I'm trying to speed this up because I'm trying to do this before OBS crashes on me. Figure it out. I have no clue what's going on with my OBS. All right. Okay, so higher time frame range was this. Okay, so we were still in discount. So we swept here, entry. We freaking shot. Okay, I have screenshots on my phone. When I was in this trade, I was at work. But it was 1.392k ticks. Can y'all see that? I don't know if you can. But yeah, I was in the trade at my freaking GoPro, bro. Crazy trade. I was in the trade at work and it was demo and I just kept checking my phone. I'm like, what the heck? But yeah, this was just demo, so it wasn't like, anything big. Took it on demo because I was trading on my phone and I didn't have time to trade my accounts. So I'm like, I'm not going to trade these evals because I'd rather feel more comfortable on my computer. And the one trade I miss is this. Just so dumb. Okay, so there's that. So that's Monday. Insanity. If we go on to Tuesday, let me check my logs real quick. I don't think I took anything on Tuesday. Go. All right. Got speed run this. Dang, freaking flashbang from Call of Duty hit my eyes. Tuesday. Let's see what we had on Tuesday. I don't even remember Tuesday. Liquidity pool. I had stuff marked out, but I don't think I took any trades. Yeah, I was just pretty much what's it called? Tape reading, watching price, and journaling it. Yeah, so I watched this manipulation here. There's like a pool had my eyes on. Where was it? I think it was this one. What are these pools? This pool here. Yeah, I saw this pool. And then there's a little smaller one lower, but this is the larger time frame one. So we manipulate here. We had this ugly expansion, but this was our key. This is our time sweep down here. So I was here. I didn't really see anything. I'm like, yeah, whatever. I got off at this point, I think, and I didn't take any trades. No, there was probably continuations presented, but I didn't see anything. So that's Tuesday. All right, run up to the higher range now. Rebalance EQ. See what Wednesday is all about. And we're going to the next range. Never mind, we respected the high. Okay. It's a Wednesday. What are we doing on Wednesday? Did I take anything on Wednesday? I don't, dude. I think that was only traded Monday, and that was it. Let's look. Oh, I took some in Asia. What was that? Was this Wednesday? It might have been Wednesday Asia. Let's look. Oh, wait. Hold up, y'all. I'm tweaking. I think it's Tuesday Asia. When's Asia session? You know, it doesn't matter. I have it posted on my YouTube channel, but yeah, I took a trade in Asia with heavy risk, and I just got break even. Okay, so Wednesday. This was kind of not perfect price action. We just ended up expanding. I don't know what opportunities are really presented today, other than the heck was that? I just heard like a bang in my room. Yeah, other than sweep here, this is towards market open. Sweep here above the extension. So we're pretty much in heavy premium sweep, rebalance high. So we're running off a probably smaller range here. What it's looking like. Let's see what we got. Yeah. Boom, 243. Okay, this is the one I had marked out. So sweep, extension high, EQ tap. We'll drop them suckers. Then we drop down the low. So you could trade potential trades with like this and this. I didn't really see anything. Today, I think I'm trying to think what it took. I don't know. This was 9:30. I think I had a break even here. And that was it. So yeah, sweep here, and then that kind of ran up a little bit. But that was it. All right. OBS is still good. Okay, we got to hurry though. It's pretty much a ticking time bomb with OBS. All right, 27th. 27th, Thanksgiving bank holiday. Okay, so 27th, obviously no trades because the price action looked like somebody turned off the market, which literally happened today with CME data crashing. So there's Thanksgiving price action for y'all who are interested in it. Where's it open? So I don't really have to review Thanksgiving because like, bro, what is this, bro? What is this? That's crazy consolidation. All right. So, okay, on to Friday, and nothing taken on Friday yet. So Thanksgiving and Black Friday were both off trades for me. So that's the end of the session. They were both very funky, and I didn't really want to be trading this at all. I saw this, I'm like, nah, this is so bad. Obviously Thanksgiving because I'm a trade as a bank holiday. Black Friday pretty much was a bank holiday because of the CME crash, and then it just, I mean, we had some expansion, but that was it. I mean, presented. Let me delete this real quick. See these replay tools. Is my dog looking at though? Yeah, no, I wouldn't even want to try trading this. This looks like a mess. We didn't really have anything other than this sweep here somewhere. That was it. Yeah, but that's it, boys. Y'all have a good weekend. Peace.